Well, hey everybody. Thought I'd give a quick intro to this video, show you some of the things I experienced while working for Envision, getting set up for that giant party in the jungle that everybody talks about. It was a beautiful thing, so without further ado, might as well get right into it. Hey everybody. Been building out here for about a week. This is my buddy Matt, and I'm gonna ask him some questions. So Matt, what brings you to Envision?
What brings me to Envision? Well, I love a party, that's for sure.
Yeah, don't we all?
Yep. Love an opportunity to meet amazing new people from all over the world, work hard together in the service of a common goal. And most specifically because that goal is music.
Music and art.
Music and art, and you know, for me, I think that everything vibrates.
Yep.
Vibration is everything.
That frequency.
And when you sweat together, working with a crew of people, becoming friends and family with them for a month in the jungle, and then at the end of that, you all get together and ride that wave of energy and music and art and love. I mean,
it's a beautiful experience, isn't it?
Yeah, it's pretty.
Plus,
unique.
There's that beach.
Yeah, right, that beach doesn't hurt.
It doesn't hurt.
The local fruit doesn't hurt.
Yep.
You know, all these palm trees, they don't hurt.
Yep.
Yeah.
All right, that's a good response.
Awesome.
You heard it right from him. Ready, Set Camping is getting set up. Lots of tents for all the folks who didn't feel like bringing a tent. We're hardly working.
Getting ready to move on to the
Next area, next project. Dundee, D-U-N, done. David, good morning.
Good.
You're doing good.
You make a little movie or something?
Yes, a little documentary. Yes.
Nice.
So let me ask you, what brings you to Envision?
Nice, really nice.
People?
Damping.
Tamping.
Damping all of this morning. So that's great. Enough shade. So.
Yes, yes, yes.
And it's a beautiful land. I like that. I saw a fucking big iguana, like blue head.
Yeah, iguana.
Like fucking bigger.
Yeah, huge.
Yeah, fucking nice.
Right? Everybody's out here working hard for this party. I'm gonna take you guys backstage. Over there's our cafeteria, talent camping. So Leila, what brings you to Envision?
Well, I attended for the first time last year and I was absolutely blown away by how they transformed the space, and especially because it's so far away from a lot of the materials we have access to.
Yep.
And I'm a space creator as well. And
Yes.
I just so badly wanted to be a part of it as soon as I saw that. So
Yep.
here I
I'm
am.
very similar. I did the same thing. Attended last year and wanted to be a bigger part of it this year.
Yeah.
So.
I mean, it's really inspiring to see just how much love is poured into every little corner of this production, and like to be able to be a part of that magic and meet the people who are creating that magic is like an absolute honor. So
Yeah, I agree. Well, hey, I'll let you get back to work. That was a perfect answer.
thanks, Rob.
Yeah, thank you. Report though. It's kind of weird seeing the park empty. Tents not everywhere. Morning. Here's the village. As you can see, not a single vendor set up yet. A little bit different than it looked just a little while ago.
fun little side note there. There's about 350 people involved in setting this up, and that's before volunteers. So that's interns, paid employees, people that are here to just really dedicate themselves to making this place a beautiful space for everybody. Water emergency. All hands on deck.
It broke off of our drainage ditch, which is right here.
The city of angels, wings represent people's hopes and dreams, and the evil that many live life close to gain.
People are working hard to get showers built and lounges set up. Just waiting until all the folks show up. We got about a week left till everybody gets here. Spent last night hanging all of these lights for this exit route here.
Dirty 30! As you can see, did some stuff, saw some things, got bit by ants, stung by a scorpion, saw a Fer-de-Lance viper. It's totally worth it. I walked all up and down the Envision property. I'm going to show you some maps of the stuff in the area. Did lots and lots of work. I stayed in a tent for 30 days. Built some really cool stuff. And it was totally worth it. Met some really cool people. Very, very fortunate to meet those people. And I hope to meet them again in the future. So let me send you guys all out with a few videos of some of the animals I saw there and one last quick tidbit from my buddy Grant. See y'all in the future. Why'd you come to Envision?
It's the next clear step.
Word up.